Hey, what's going on, y'all? What's going on? Jonasegway. Hey, look, today's video, it's gonna be quick. It's gonna be quick and easy. We got the new GoPro Media Mod Lite 2, and then we got the original GoPro Media Mod Lite. Now, I just want to show you guys the differences. There are a few differences between the two. Ooh, I see another difference. There's a few differences between the two. GoPro says this thing does 625 lumens on 20 lumens on low, 65 on medium brightness, and up in 125 on the highest setting. And then this one here is supposed to be 20, 60, and 125. We're gonna unbox this new one. I know it's out in my hand, but I'm gonna show you the unboxing real quick so you guys can see what type of stuff comes in the box. It's very simple. One thing I've noticed between these two, the old one is brighter. I don't know what the heck GoPro was talking about, but on the lowest brightness setting, you guys are gonna see this older one is brighter than this newer one. That could be a good thing because I feel like the older light is just, I feel like the low setting is too bright. If you're using it mounted on a camera and you're vlogging, let's say in a low light setting, I feel like it puts out too much light, even with the filter on. So this newer GoPro Light, you know, they're physically the same size. Physically, they're about the same size. And the newer one has a more pronounced button. So, you know, if you're using it with gloves, you can feel the on and off, you know, the one single button, you can feel it a lot easier. It's also supposed to have a lot more runtime than the older one. So I'm gonna let you guys see the stats right there on the screen. That's what GoPro said. Who would I say the Light Mod 2 is for? Probably someone who's vlogging. I mean, basically what the original, you know, Light Mod is for. Again, it's a softer light on that low setting. So if you guys are wanting to use this light just to vlog with and you don't want it so bright, definitely the Light Mod 2. The prices are the same. They're both at $59.99, if I'm not mistaken, US dollars on the GoPro website. If you're not a subscriber, as a subscriber, I think it's $24.99 now for the older one and like $34.99 for the newer one. So do what you will with that. They were exactly the same price as far as subscriber price goes when I bought my Media Mod Lite 2, but now they have a price difference in the subscriber amount. So also, in case you guys didn't know, GoPro actually limits how many accessories you can buy within a 365-day span. I started loading up on GoPro accessories and they told me I exceeded the 20 allowed that you can have in a calendar year. So keep that in mind. If you're a GoPro subscriber, be a little careful when you're ordering accessories because they apparently gonna start taxing you after 20 accessories or 20 orders. Shout outs to GoPro. The GoPro's microphone kit is what we're listening to. You guys are hearing me on that right now. Using the USB-C receiver onto my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and the volume's on 0 gain. It's got 3 settings, -12, 0, and +12. So we're at 0 decibel gains. Can you guess where the microphone's at? You know, I don't like having my microphones up in my face, all up on my shirt. All you see is me talking with the stupid microphone in a way. So I like to, you know, conceal my microphones. But anyways, let me show you guys this bridge real quick, and then we're gonna show you the unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys the physical differences, and then we're done. So that's gonna be all, guys. Definitely like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you guys want to just see more videos on all this GoPro stuff, I do Insta360, I do DJI cameras, I do everything, not just GoPro. So don't think that I'm just like a GoPro channel or anything like that. But I got some links down there. Jonasegway Tutorials is my other channel. That's a channel that I put things that I'm kind of showing you guys how to do certain things. It could be from cooking to how to operate a certain camera, how to do certain what certain functions of certain cameras do. Like I got all kinds of stuff going on that channel, or that's supposed to go on that channel. So y'all can get over there, check out G's Moto. That's also in the comments, I mean in the description below, the link to her channel. She's doing moto vlogging stuff, or supposed to be doing moto vlogging stuff. Connie, I need to see that video from Virginia, not Virginia, from the little ride you just did with all the other influencers. So y'all go on ahead and get on her channel and get on her butt about that stuff, because yeah, she's slacking, son. Anyways, Jonasegway, man, I'm gonna go walk back to the truck and I'm gonna put this video together so you guys can watch it. In the meantime, in between time, the outro is going to be me walking on this 1907 bridge that I'm on right now. That's kind of sketch. I was scared to shoot the video on this thing because there's mad holes in the floor, but watch the B-roll. If not, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.